What are the differences between housekeeping and deep cleaning services? The limit of wiping. Why tough stains are left behind. When you're dealing with stains, you're no longer maintaining. You are erasing past damage. This is the job of a professional deep cleaner. Understanding the difference between these cleaning services is the key to getting the results you want. A common point of confusion is the level of cleanup a contractor provides. While construction crews will remove large debris and do a basic sweep, their responsibility typically ends there, leaving the property in a broom-swept condition. This leaves you, the homeowner, facing what we call the dust apocalypse. You might think, I can clean it myself. But post-renovation cleaning is a beastly undertaking. Here's why going the DIY route is a nightmare. The never-ending battle. Construction dust isn't just an eyesore, it's invasive. It seems to defy the laws of physics. You clean one surface, only to find another mysteriously coated moments later. It's a Sisyphean struggle that will leave you exhausted and defeated. Why a professional service is a smart investment. Hiring a professional team is the key to a stress-free transition into your new space. Specialized equipment. We use industrial-grade HEPA filter vacuums that trap fine dust, powerful steam cleaners, and professional-grade, non-toxic solutions to tackle tough residues. Ready to make your new home shine? Don't let the final cleanup spoil the excitement of your renovation. Ditch the DIY disaster and embrace the professional solution. Contact us now to schedule your professional move-in ready cleaning service. Call us at 929-326-3201.